Hey guys, Daniel from filmora.io here. Traveling around the world is one of life's most exciting experiences. Just ask anyone who's caught the travel bug. And now, with all the video production tools we can easily get our hands on, it's never been a better time to make a travel video. In this video, I'm gonna go over 10 tips you guys can use to be a better travel vlogger. Number 1. Before your trip, make sure you calibrate all your vlogging equipment that needs to be calibrated, like stabilizing gimbals and drones. I got too excited when I first got my stabilizing gimbal that I just took it out of its box and started filming with it. But because I didn't calibrate it first, I wasted a lot of time struggling to get leveled footage. Number 2. If you're chasing sunrises and sunsets, download the Sunseeker app to know where the sun is and where it will be. This way, you can set up your shot perfectly. Number 3. For theft prevention, carry a backpack that doesn't open from the outside. There's a lot of anti-theft bags that open from the side that goes right against your back. If you do plan to take your backpack with pockets on the outside, don't keep any valuables in those outside pockets. Number 4. If your camera can shoot up to 4K and you typically edit your video projects in 1080p, for all the scenes you want lossless, zoomed-in footage, record your video in 4K. Number 5. When you're recording time-lapse videos, choose scenes with at least one element that changes a lot over time, whether it be the clouds or the traffic, not something like a building in front of a cloudless, smoggy sky. I've made that mistake before. For better results on your time-lapse videos, remember to shoot in manual mode, turn off autofocus, and turn off optical image stabilization. Number 6. Slow motion. For actions that are as slow as walking, slowing down your footage to 50% of the original speed looks good enough. If your video editing project is in 30 frames per second, shooting your video in 60 frames per second will give you enough frames to slow down your video to 50% without any kind of duplication in frames. Any slower is kinda overkill for slowing down the speed of walking. For actions as fast as water splashing, you can use much higher frame rates, but make sure you're shooting with plenty of light for that. Let's move on to storage and backup with our next 2 travel vlogging tips. Number 7. In order to free up the space from your cameras without having to lug around your laptop on your trip, grab yourself a USB memory card reader that connects with an app on your phone. With this tool, you can easily transfer files into an external hard drive, all without a laptop. Number 8. Take advantage of Google Photos' free and unlimited cloud storage for video files up to 1080p. Number 9. If you're editing a video project with videos from multiple different cameras, make sure to set the correct time and date on all your devices before filming. This will make things so much easier later in editing. You'll be able to import all your image and video files and sort them in the exact order that they were taken. And finally, number 10. Give yourself more time at each location if you want to have a good balance between getting the shots you need and enjoying the present moment. So that's our top 10 travel vlogging tips. If you guys found that helpful and want to learn more on travel vlogging equipment, accessories, ideas, tools, and other tips, make sure to check out our ultimate guide on how to be a travel vlogger. Link in the description box below. And make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.